Rank-based selection method. It is another method of selecting parents in a genetic or evolutionary algorithm to reproduce and produce offspring in the next generation. Rank-based selection is based on a ranking of individuals in their specific population instead of their absolute fitness. Means ये जो method है ये फिटनेस को कंसिडर नहीं करता बल्कि उस स्पेसिफिक पॉपुलेशन के इंडिविजुअल्स को स्पेसिफिकली रैंकिंग उसकी करता है और रैंक करने के बाद रैंकिंग के बेस पे पेरेंट सिलेक्शन करता है. सो इट्स इग्नोरिंग द फिटनेस ऑफ द इंडिविजुअल्स इन देयर स्पेसिफिक पॉपुलेशन. सो in this specific method, organisms are ranked from best to worst, means ascending order में या descending order में best से worst की तरफ या worst से best की तरफ organisms को rank किया जाता है और उस ranking के बाद जो है वो individuals को opportunity दी जाती है and then उसकी में से किसी की selection हो. तो देयर इज़ ऑलवेज अ प्रोबेबिलिटी कि जितनी भी रैंक में कोई ऑर्गेनिज्म हाई होगा बेस्ट की तरफ होगा तो उसकी सिलेक्शन की प्रोबेबिलिटी उतनी ज़्यादा होती है और इसी तरह हायर रैंक्ड जो इंडिविजुअल्स है जो ऑर्गेनिजम्स है उनकी सिलेक्शन प्रोबेबिलिटी ज़्यादा होती है और हम मोर एंड मोर फिटर इंडिविजुअल्स को सेलेक्ट करते हैं एज अ पेरेंट्स फॉर द नेक्स्ट आइट्रेशन और द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन. This method is specifically used in all those scenarios where organisms or individuals of the population has very close fitness values. जो इससे पहले हमने एक method discuss किया the roulette wheel selection method. तो उस selection method का एक drawback ये था कि वो selection method, though it's a very good method for selecting parents, but that method is not a very good performing method where the individuals of the population has their fitness values very close to each other. So उन केस में फिर ये एक method alternative available है कि इसको use किया जाए for selecting parents on the basis of their ranked instead of their absolute fitness values. So this leads to individuals and it's providing equal opportunity to the individuals on the pie because in this method also we are using a wheel type or a pie shape to represent the different individuals of that population. So every individual has its share on has its equal share on that pie. And the most importantly, this process leads to loss of the selection pressure in their specific generation. जो बाकी मैंने कहा कि पहले डिस्कस किया कि जो selection pressure है वो भी इंडिविजुअल्स ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन को नेगेटिवली इम्पैक्ट कर सकता है उनके सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस को क्योंकि चांस की प्रोबेबिलिटी होती है. तो इस प्रोसेस के थ्रू सिलेक्शन प्रेशर को भी अवॉइड किया जा सकता है और जो मोर फिटर इंडिविजुअल्स में से सिलेक्शन प्रेशर इम्पोज हो सकता है उसको अवॉइड किया जा सकता है. दिस द फिगर इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग अ पाई हैविंग n numbers of individuals. They are represented with different colors on this pie. There are different colors. Each color is representing a different individual. And here in this table we can see that we have A to F individuals in this population, and these individuals of the populations are being ranked according to their fitness values. But we are not considering their fitness values here, as each individual has equal share on this pie. The size of each individual on the pie is equal, so each and every organism has an equal opportunity. But the logic is that the organisms are being ranked here from best to worst in this table, and when we will provide opportunity to these chromosomes to be selected as a parent, so there are more probabilities for those individuals, for those chromosomes which having higher ranks here. So on this basis of this criteria, one can select more fitter parents for breeding to reproduce, to produce offsprings for the next generation. In this method, we basically remove the concept of fitness values. Fitness values को यहाँ पे ignore किया जाता है, उसको नहीं consider किया जाता. और parents की जो selection है, it is totally depending upon their rank. So this is a rank-based method. However, individual parents are selected on the basis of their rank in the table, as we discussed in the previous slide. The selection of the parents depends on totally depends on the rank of that individual. So the higher rank individual will always have a higher probability to be selected as a parent as compared to those organisms which have which are lower in rank in that table or on the pie. So this is another method of selecting parents. We will discuss some other methods as well to select parents for the genetic algorithm.